In this video, we are going to continue with the spheres. Now, the question that's given to us is how many bullets can be made out of a cube of lead whose edge measures 22 centimeters, each bullet being 2 centimeter in diameter. Now, he has given us a cube, lead cube, right? And he's saying that you're melting this lead cube. And when you melt this lead cube, you are making the lead shots out of this. The edge of the cube is 22 centimeters. That means all the sides will be 22 centimeters. Length, breadth and height will be 22 centimeters. Out of this, we are making the lead shots. We don't know of how many number, what is the number of those lead shots. So we have to create lead shots by melting this, right? So each lead shot being 2 centimeter in diameter. So we can say that the radius of this is 1 centimeter, right? So what is going to remain same whenever we melt this and convert this into these lead shots? Obviously the volume, right? This entire cube is going to be melt and it's going to be converted into some number of lead shots. We don't know the number, and entire volume of this is used. So whenever you have to find the number of maybe lead shots here, so what you have to do is you have to find the volume of this and divide that by the volume of one of these lead shots. That will give you the number of lead shots that you can create by melting this cube. So number of bullets that you can create is equal to the volume of the material that you are melting. What is the shape here? It's cube. Volume of cube divided by volume of one lead shot, right? That will give you the number of lead shots that you will create out of this. Okay. So since this is a cube and we know that volume of cube is equal to edge cube, so edge whole cube, and this is the sphere, and we know that the volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube, right? Now tell me, do we have the value for pi here? No, we can use 22/7. Okay, so edge is 22, so 22 into 22 into 22 divided by 4/3, that 3 will come up, into 22/7, that 7 will also go up, and then we have r cube. So r is 1 centimeter, so 1 into 1 into 1. Now 122 and 122 will go. 2 11s are, 2 2s are, 2 11s are. So finally we are left with 11 into 11 into 3 7s are 21. So which is 121 into 21, which is equal to 2541 bullets. So how many bullets you will create by melting this cube? 2541 bullets. Another one of the same type. Here he is saying that how many lead shots, each 3 millimeter in diameter, can be made from a cuboid. Now this time we have a cuboid, right? What is a cuboid? We know that cuboid is a figure in which it's basically cube, in which, no, it's not a cube. Cube is a cuboid. So cuboid is a 3-dimensional figure in which length is different, breadth is different, and height is different, right? So made from a cuboid whose dimensions are 9, 11 and 12. He's saying that the length of this is 9, breadth is 11 and height is 12, right? But if you look at these dimensions, they are not up to the, you can say up to the mark. I have just randomly created a cuboid here. Now, he has given us the diameter of the lead shot. So we are melting this cuboid and creating We don't know how many number of lead shots. We have to find that. So each is having 3 millimeter diameter. So diameter is 3 millimeter, right? So radius will be 3 by 2 millimeter. So if we convert that into centimeters, that will be 3 by 20 centimeters. Fine. Now we know how to find the number of bullets. That is equal to volume of this cuboid. Volume of cuboid divided by volume of each lead bullet, of one lead bullet. So now we know how to find the volume of a cuboid. Its length into breadth into height, and volume of lead bullet is 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? So let's substitute the values now. Length is 9 into breadth is 11 into 12, and this 3 will come up, and in the denominator we will have 4 into pi is 22 by 7, 7 will come up, into r cube, that is 3 by 20. So I will write 3 into 3 into 3, and 20 will go up into 20, right? Okay, now let's carefully do the correct these calculations. 3 3s are 9 and 9 will go, right? So 1 3 and 1 3 will also go. Okay, so 4 3s are 12, 11 2s are 22, 2 10s are 20, right? So finally I have got 3 into 7, okay, 3 into 7 into 10 into 20 into 20. Have I missed anything? Okay, this is 3 7s are 21, 21, this will become 210 into 400. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and then these 3 zeros. So these many bullets will be created from this cuboid if you are melting this of 3 by 20 centimeter radius, right?